Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, here are 6 side jobs that can easily replace your day job. Starting off with number 6 is a side job that can be so successful that you'll start to question why you're still working a regular 9 to 5 job. A real estate bird dog is a person that scours neighborhoods for potential investment properties either by driving or walking through them. In essence, you're basically looking for homes that require a lot of work and could be excellent candidates for fix and flip projects. They then pitch these deals to investors in real estate who can give them a fixed fee or a share of the sale in exchange. Most investors are often ready to spend between $500 and $1,000 per contract. This brings us to number 5, mattress flipping. You will learn how you can pick up those unsold mattresses and resell them, earning upwards of $8,000 to $10,000 per month by signing up as a representative for a business that will be discussed in a moment. You'll first go to sharetown.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then click where it says Become a Rep. You'll then start filling out your application with your name, address, and other details, such as confirming that you're over 18 and have no prior DUIs. Once you've entered your vehicle information and verified that it can transport large mattresses, all that's left to do is fill out the application's extra fields and submit it. When you join ShareTown as a representative, you will thereafter receive notifications about mattress pickups near you. Everybody utilizes the internet every day to look up answers to the questions we have. In actuality, more than 63,000 queries are made online every second. Next up is number 4. Just Answer is an internet service that links millions of people with subject matter experts. Some examples of the categories available are legal, medical, technical, home repairs, pet care, etc. That website pays you to become an expert and it functions in exactly the same way. Someone will pay a charge on that website to ask a question that requires an answer from an expert. The charge can be as little as $5 or as much as $100 or more each question. Pretty interesting, right? Number 3, the dumpster rental sector, which is already worth over $500 million, is anticipated to expand even more over the next few years. Imagine if you could profit from even a small portion of that development and earn up to $20,000 or more each month without ever attending college or having any prior work experience. The remodeling and building industries are expanding, so the dumpster rental business has no plans to slow down. Now, you should first know that some equipment will need to be purchased in order to carry out this side job. But as will be discussed in a moment, the return on investment from this side job will worth it. Wait a minute, how does hiring a dumpster truly work? Well, in order for construction businesses and homeowners to dispose of their garbage for their project, both require a very straightforward method. The majority of them accomplish this by renting dumpsters. The customer arranges for a dumpster delivery and it is then brought to their place to be filled with waste. After that, it will be picked up and properly disposed of by the dumpster rental provider. However, it is something that you should consider when launching this side job. How will you actually get rid of all the trash? Most of the time, it's as easy as dumping the trash at your neighborhood landfill. Coming up next on number 2, this side business can help you change your life and it is no joke. Imagine making about $1,000 or more per hour. Does it seem too wonderful to be true? Well, believe it because it really is achievable. In essence, your side business will involve clearing out the things that others no longer want from their house. This can be everything from old book boxes and furniture to cars and even farm machinery. It's even better because you just require a tiny amount at first. Honestly, not bad, right? Since then, College Hunks has served over 10 million satisfied clients over the course of 20 years and more than a dozen corporate workers. It is frequently rated as one of the top 5 rubbish removal services in the US. If you want to do the same, you'll need to start promoting your company for free on websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and other social media platforms in order to get things going. You could even go one step further and use tools like Canva to make flyers for your company, which you could then distribute to nearby businesses or individuals who might have expertise in areas like relocation, order cleaning up, or even home remodeling. It really depends on the size of the work for how much money you can make doing this. Additionally, you can start selling a lot of the items you get from this side gig to earn some extra income. As your company expands, be sure to find out if you require any additional licenses or certifications, such as a waste courier's license or a CDL if you want to buy larger vehicles. But given the relative simplicity of this side job and the fact that you can earn a good living without a college degree, it really is something special and you should definitely check it out. Finally, number 1, do you consider yourself to be a decent writer or are you ready to learn how to become one? With this side job, you may just earn up to $200 per hour without a college degree from the comfort of your home. There is no denying that Amazon is currently the most widely used platform for online shopping. In reality, Amazon receives over 2 billion monthly visitors in the US alone and is responsible for close to half of all online e-commerce purchases. There are a lot of product descriptions that need to be created because so many things are selling on Amazon. So, why not become an Amazon copywriter? Your job as copywriter is simple. Write product descriptions that make a buyer feel as though they need the product because it addresses a problem for them. Copywriters are aware that many customers may feel delight and enthusiasm when they consider which goods to buy. By appealing to such emotions in the copy, they so in a sense aid in the sale of the product. The fact that your writing could genuinely make the difference between a product selling or not selling is the precise reason why businesses are willing to pay so much money for a professional Amazon copywriter. Who knows, maybe your way with words could just land you a job. On sample websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, you may conduct a job search for Amazon copywriting positions to get started. Now, it will take some time to establish your profile and gather some favorable evaluations on these sites. You could even have to accept a lower pay at first for this task in order to establish your reputation. In terms of how much money you can make, it really depends on how much you can work on. You are able to earn as much money as you desire. However, if you've established a solid clientele and reputation, you can often expect to earn up to $200 per hour with this side hustle. If you multiply that amount by 12 months, you may earn more than $300,000 annually without a college degree. Since anyone can learn how to write excellent content online for free, and this shop can easily make you well over six figures each year, it has become the number one side job for this list. Those were the 6 side jobs that you should consider doing, as it can help you make a considerable amount of money. It may even help you get out of your 9 to 5 job. What did you think of the side hustles that we have presented? Do you have your own side jobs you do that help you make more income? Let others know about it down below. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!